In today's video, I'll show you which Steam games take the most storage and how to remove them. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. First things first, what you want to do is open up your Steam, obviously. Then you click on the top left where it says Steam and go to settings right here. Once you are in the settings, you want to scroll down where it says storage. You click on storage and then you want to choose which drive you want. For example, my local C drive is my SSD, while my D games is my hard drive. So I want to check what's on my SSD. I click on local drive C. And now I can see that Red Dead Redemption 2 takes 120 gigs, which is the biggest on my drive right now. I can scroll down to see what I am not playing and what I don't enjoy, and I can simply check mark it and then click on uninstall right here. Using this, you can also move it to another drive if you don't know. And that's basically it. Now, if I want to remove it from my hard drive, I want to go to my D games and I can see that, for example, I have Ready or Not, which takes 50 gigs. Simply choose this, click on uninstall, and it will remove the game for you. It's really simple and it actually shows you which games take the most space so you can remove them accordingly. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like. YouTube thinks this video will be great for you, so check it out and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.